Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and account details so you can move quickly. Connect the Xbox 360 to your router now, using Ethernet for stability or Wi-Fi if needed. Make sure you have your Microsoft account credentials ready. If you don't, create an account on another device and keep the email open. Once done, power up the console and go to Settings, then System, and select Network Settings. This begins the sign-in and account linking process that Xbox Live requires. You'll now sign in and select service options because that's the core of access. In Network Settings, run a connection test to confirm internet. Then choose Sign in and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you need a gamer tag, create one when prompted. Once signed in, navigate to Xbox Live options and decide whether to subscribe to Xbox Live Gold for multiplayer or use the free features for basic access. Make sure to add payment info only if you choose a paid subscription. You finish by downloading your profile and applying updates so everything works smoothly. After the profile downloads, accept any system updates and restart the console if prompted, then verify the Xbox Live status icon shows online. Test multiplayer or access the marketplace to confirm full functionality. If something goes wrong, reboot the console, power cycle the router, and re-enter your credentials. Make sure NAT type is open or moderate rather than strict. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.